to find where my shuttle is, where my taxi is.
Matthew, do you feel like you were treated fairly by this?
What do you think? Murderers, rapists, they get to stay. I get detained 6 hours after having my visa cancelled by the minister himself. Over some, I just stood there over some nonsense. So what do you think? Do you think it's fair?
Not my child, not my child, not my
The
child.
protest
That's
you
not fair.
participated
That's not fair. That's not fair. It's my child. That's fine.
Actually, I'm just going to see if the shot.